Lesson 17 today is about the number line, and specifically we're going to be working with fractions and mixed numbers. Now our first question has this number line below with point A labeled, and our problem says point A represents what mixed number on the number line. Now a mixed number is just a number that's going to have both a whole number part and a fraction part put together. And if we look at this, we can see we're somewhere between 2 and 3. And to figure out exactly where we are between 2 and 3, we're going to say here's 2, then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tick marks until we get to 3. So this must be the first tick mark out of 4. This one must be the second tick mark out of 4. Then we have the third tick mark out of 4. And 3, that's really the fourth tick mark out of 4. We can write 4 out of 4. We know 4 out of 4 is equal to 1, and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So that's how we turn our line with this value into a 3. So what is the answer that we have here? Point A represents what mixed number? Well, it must be 2 and 2/4. 2 and 2/4. Now we know we want to reduce fractions whenever we can, and we have a fraction here that we can. If we say 2/4 and we cut both of those numbers in half because they're both even, we're going to get 2.5. And we've got our correct answer. We're all done with this first problem. Let's move on to the next slide. Alright, we want to use a ruler to find the length, GTH, we got a typo there, that's okay, the length of this line segment to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. If we want to find the length of this line segment to the nearest 1/16 of an inch, we can come down and we can get our ruler tool. Okay, we're going to take our ruler tool, this is on inches. If we wanted to, we could change the ruler scale to be in millimeters, centimeters, inches, or we could have no scale and just a blank ruler. We're going to leave it with inches. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this ruler and we're going to line up the 0 with the beginning of our line segment. So that's as close to on top of each other as they can be, the 0 in the beginning. Now we're going to come over to the end and we can see that our line segment ends right at about this tick mark. So what we have to do is count how many tick marks that is. Let's go ahead and do that. We've got 5, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's 5 and 11. We know that's 11 tick marks. We have to figure out how many total tick marks there are. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's 16 total tick marks. So remember, it was 5 and 11 out of 16. And we've got our final answer. We know this is to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. 1/16, that's our denominator, that's perfect. And we have to put a unit. So we're going to put inches on there. We have 11 and 5/16 inch, or inches. Either way is fine. We've got our final answer, we've read our ruler correctly, and we can move on to the next question. Alright, our next questions will be on lesson practice, page 85. Make sure you've got your notes completed, and I'll see you during our next class.